This video shows you how to create a combo chart with a secondary axis bar. First, we're going to add an order date month as the dimension. As a first measure, we add the sum of sales. As a second measure, we add an expression to calculate the variance. Then we select More Properties, and in Presentation, we select Bars. In this way, the variance will be shown as bars. In Color, we select the custom color, and then we make a selection to color the bars by expression. In the expression editor, we add an expression to color the bars by sales results. We do the same for the sales measures. In this case, we add an expression to color the sales results by months. In Presentation, we select the Stacked option, and we enable the bar labels. And here you have the final result. As you can see, you now have a combo chart with a bar on a secondary axis showing the sales and the variance in the same chart with offset. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.